In our previous video, we covered how to create basic inventory forecast plan. But if you're a seller with seasonal product or have different sales velocity depending on the time of the year for any other reason, then that basic method might not be enough. Hi, I am Harsh. Today I'm going to share how to create an advanced FBA forecast plan, inventory forecast plan that we use at YS when working with larger clients. So we have gone ahead and prepared an advanced FBA inventory dashboard, client dashboard. By using Amazon sales data, you can predict how much inventory or stock you need to send to Amazon FBA based on your sales velocity and seasonal trends. So if you want to download the template, check out the description. The link is given over there. So let's get started. Now let's talk about how to use the template. We made it really simple again. You only need to paste 3 sets of data and you'll get all the insights you need. First, go to your Seller Central account, go to Business Report and click on Detail Page Sales and Traffic. Now select the duration for the report of the same period current year and the same period of upcoming months from last year. For example, if you are creating this plan on 1st June 2024, take data from 1st April to 31st May 2024. And the second set of data will be from 1st June 2023 to 31st July 2023. We recommend at least the 2 months of period data for create this forecast plan, but you can adjust based on your specific needs. Download the report. Paste the downloaded data into the units order sheet, placing previous month data in the previous month column and the last year's upcoming period data in the upcoming month column, like this. Perfect. Now gather your inventory data. Again, go to your Seller Central account. Now go to Fulfillment. Click on Manage FBA Inventory. Click on Request Download and download the inventory data. Now, paste this data into the Manage FBA Inventory sheet in the template. Done. Now, let's move to the FBA Inventory Plan sheet. So here, due to pre-applied formulas, the data is fetched from the both subsheets. As you can see, all the data is already fetched in here. So here are your Seller-SKU and units sold previous month. Here is the data for the last 2 months sold units that I have downloaded. Per day average units sold. These are the average number of units sold per day based on the sales data for each individual SKUs. Now, under the growth percent cell, enter the percent by which you predict your orders will increase in the upcoming months. For example, if you expect a 15% increase in order, enter 15% here. This will help you estimate how many units will be sold daily based on your growth prediction. Under the total units required for days cell, enter the number of days for which you need to forecast the total units required. This will display the number of units required for the upcoming months for each individual SKU based on the number of days added. Current available units, FBA inventory. So these are the current inventory available in your FBA. Current days of inventory. This represents the number of days that the current FBA inventory can sustain. And here under the units needs days cell, enter the number of days for which you need to plan the shipment to determine how many units need to be sent to Amazon FBA based on your daily average units sold. So, and that's it. Here is the final shipment quantity need to be sent to Amazon FBA. These are the precise units to ship based on the current average units sold and the available units. It's quick and easy. So download the template from the link in the description and start using it now to create your own FBA inventory forecast plan. I hope this information was helpful, and if you like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.